We all know that we're going to die. But the question is, how do you want to live? How do you want to live the rest of your life, those last couple years of your lives? Do you want tubes down your throat, up your nose, arms because of diabetes, dementia, heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, statins? How do you want to live? As you know, my greatest teachers are my parents, and I have seen their decline in health because of the choices they made. These diseases are lifestyle choices that we made. Maybe we weren't informed properly. Maybe we thought that this was the best food for us. But when we eat a certain way, disease doesn't just jump on us. It manifests from the years of this. I know I've seen this in my family, and I don't know if you can relate to this. Someone you love that is like every day of their life is a struggle. Now, I was challenged, and I've said this before, that the classroom, the Lillian McDermott radio show classroom, has saved my life. My parents, like I said, are my greatest teachers. But when I was challenged in the classroom to go raw vegan for 30 days, I said, bring it. I can do anything for 30 days as long as it's legal and it doesn't harm my body. Well, it fit the criteria. So I said, okay, I'll do it. 4 days later of accepting the challenge, I feel really good. But here's the thing. I didn't feel bad. I didn't know I could feel better. And I thought, if food can make me feel this good, what else have I been lied to about? Possibly not intentionally, but not knowingly lied to me. Now, I've said many times that if children learn how to eat well, then these lifestyle diseases would be gone. Amputations from diabetes, dementia, cognitive decline, all those things that we have seen some of the teachers that are above the age of 59, 68, 85, come on to the classroom with beautiful, beautiful minds and intact bodies. And so how many lives could have been spared if they knew this information? It completely changed my life. I went from an allopathic, take a pill, all the way to, wow, the power of our body, the power that God created in us to choose health. But some of the things that we put into our bodies is not food. And the body doesn't recognize it as food. It just thinks it needs to protect us against whatever it is that we're putting in our bodies. So, just like I was challenged many, many years ago, 2012 to be exact, which changed my life completely. And you guys get to learn with me as I learn with you and our wonderful teachers. Just like I was challenged, I am challenging you. It's perfectly legal and it won't harm your body. And you might even find out that some of the things that you've been feeling can be repaired by eating whole food, plant-based, raw. And the beauty of it is when I started this challenge is that I didn't have to cook anymore. I prepared my food and put it together and then we ate. It's a beautiful way to eat that you might enjoy as well. And if I know what you're saying, oh, I love my pies and I love my sugars and I love my meat. So did my parents. So do a lot of people that are not with us today. And I'm not saying that eating animal products or eating, I'm not saying that that's going to kill you. Although We know that these diabetes, dementia, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, these are lifestyle choices. So for 30 days, are you willing to give your body a break? For 30 days, starting on April 18th through May 16th, which I'll be celebrating my birthday, my 59th birthday, entering into the raw vegan, remembering what it felt like when I was raw vegan, and the 11th year of the classroom. What a great celebration to celebrate health and responsible living. When I started, I was all about allopathic and taking the pill. Today, you can take a pill or you can take responsibility. It's not that I'm against the pill, but I am for doing everything possible to live the life that you want, to take your health back. Are you tired of feeling sick or tired? Or would you like to release some weight? Do you just want to be healthy so that you can live the rest of your life preventing these lifestyle diseases? So there is a registration button. Click it to learn more, to be a part of this. Week after week, we're going to come together. I'm booking some teachers to come in and teach us tips and tricks and recipes that are to live for. Recipes to live for. And if you're thinking, I'm going to miss my pie, I'll miss my pizza, you can make those raw vegan too. Delicious. And I'll share some of the things that I've created, the recipes that I've learned. And you too can determine, am I feeling this way because I feel this way and this is normal? Or can I feel better? Will you accept the challenge, the 30-day challenge that was given to me back in 2012? I am inviting you to join us as we explore what raw vegan is all about. Just be curious. Can you be a little curious? And who knows, maybe you'll start getting rid of some of those pills that may be causing other side effects. Again, you don't know what you don't know, and neither did I. And it completely changed my life, and I hope it will change yours too. So 30 days, raw vegan challenge. Click the registration button and join us in this journey of discovery of a new way to live. So are you in? What are you waiting for? A set of Ginsu knives? You'll need some nice knives while you do this, because food in its natural state is phenomenal. So please join us. And I look forward to experiencing the month journey with you. Thank you for listening. And I hope, did you click it? Okay, I'm looking. Okay, I am expecting, I'll be right here waiting for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the 18th of April, 2022.